Hey, hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pay electricity bill or light bill using Amazon Pay. So if you don't know how to do that, just follow this video and you can easily do it. So first of all, you need to have Amazon account created and Amazon Pay account also created. Link with your bank account. If you don't know how to do that, just comment below or you can watch videos on YouTube. Okay, I already have an Amazon Pay account. You can see open your Amazon app and you can see I already logged in. Okay, so after login, just click on Amazon Pay icon here, so it will open your Amazon Pay wallet. Okay, so here you will get all the related guide, what you need to pay, where you want to pay. Okay, so I'm going to pay electricity bill, so just click on bills option here. Okay, I'm going to click on bills option. After that, here you will get electricity. Okay, you need to select here electricity, so I'm going to select this option. Okay, you can pay any other bills as well if you want, but I'm going to pay electricity. After that, just click states here and select your state where you live. So I'm from Maharashtra, so I'm going to select Maharashtra. After that, you need to select provider, so you need to choose which provider of your electricity. So I'm going to select my provider here. After that, you need to have two IDs, which is customer ID and unit ID. It will present in your light bill, guys. Okay, if you have old light bill, so you will get these details from there. Okay, so copy that details and paste here and it will connect to your light bill provider. Okay, so I fill that details properly, then click on continue. So after that, guys, don't mistake, guys, here. Okay, so write properly and it will load your light bill. You can see it will load your current light bill. So just I'm going to pay this right now. You can see 490 rupees, so I'm going to pay this. So click on that, then it will ask you to swipe to pay. So if you want to pay, then just swipe right. So I'm going to swipe right here. Now it will start payment processing. Okay, guys, so first of all, it will ask you to verify your phone number with a bank account. So you can see I just allow some permissions and it is processing right now. So wait here until complete. You can see it's complete. So now just click here and now you need to put your UPI pin here. Okay, guys, your UPI pin you need to enter here. Okay, enter that, then click on next and it will automatically cut your 490 rupees from your bank account and your electricity bill is now successfully paid. You can see you have receipt as well, so you have receipt. So now with this method you can easily pay any electricity bills using Amazon Pay account. Okay, guys, so wait for 24 hours to update your electricity bills. Okay, after that, if your payment is failed, so your money will be refunded in 48 hours into your bank account directly. Otherwise, your payment is successful, so your light bill is paid. Okay, guys, so with this method you can easily pay electricity, any type of electricity bill using your Amazon Pay account. So let me check our electricity bill is paid or not, but I know that we need to wait for 24 hours to update that. Okay, you can see you still get this electricity bill, but see here you already paid. So wait for 24 to 48 hours, it will update automatically. After that you will not get this type of errors. Okay, guys, so in this way you can easily pay light bill or electricity bill using your Amazon Pay wallet account. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. If you want more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.